Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to mute and unmute someone on Facebook story. So if you want to mute someone on Facebook story and unmute some people on Facebook story, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to mute and unmute someone on Facebook story, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Come to your Facebook story here. Then locate the Facebook story you want to mute and press and hold it. Then you should see mute story. Click on that. Click on mute from the pop. Repeat this on all the story you want to mute on your Facebook story. Now, once you've muted all the Facebook story you want to mute, the next thing you want to do is you want to unmute the story. To unmute any story you've muted on Facebook, all you need to do is click on the profile button at the bottom right or at the top right, depending on your device. Then click on settings, the icon. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to audience and visibility, and then click on stories. Once you selected stories, scroll down, should say stories you've muted, then click on the view button. Then here are all the stories you've muted. To unmute all these stories, just click on unmute. Then all the stories will be unmuted, and then if you refresh this page, you should see muted story disappeared. You see that? So that is all you need to do. Then you're good to go. So that is basically all you need to do to mute and unmute someone's story on Facebook story. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.